there. My goal right now is to hang some more Assiut laundry. This is the last batch. So this is round 5. And some people have asked, where do I get my Assiut? And the truth is that I've been collecting it for now 15 years. Many of my sources have gone, many of my sources are new, and I will be making a video all about sourcing Assiut soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to take all of the wet shawls of color and I'm going to hang them up. So here we go. Hey there, since I put this on fast forward, I thought I would just do a quick rundown of my method for laundering modern Assiut. Just keep in mind, there is no one way to do it the right way, and my way is the one that works for me. Perhaps it'll work for you. So first off, modern Assiut is quite durable. The stitches might be a little bit fragile when you first get it. If you run your fingers across it and it feels scratchy, to roll a rolling pin over it to smooth and lock down the stitches prior to washing. Then I like to use a tightly woven lingerie bag with a zipper. I get them at Daiso, or you can order them off Amazon. I'll include a link below. The lingerie bag helps keep them from twisting, rubbing, and braiding the metal stitches. It'll just keep everything under control. So you want to use the right size bag. Sometimes I'll use a larger bag and put 4 pieces in it. I use a washing machine, and in the washing machine, I set it to an extreme gentle cycle so they don't twist and agitate very much. So I can use one bag for multiple shawls. I use cold water on the lowest cycle my washer has, which is extreme gentle. Every washer is a little bit different, but the goal is to have the least amount or no agitation. You just want it to soak and spin. I use a gentle, soft soap or detergent, something liquid. Powder can leave residue, so a nice gentle cleaner is preferred. My choice is always to err on the side of preservation, so I like to use Orvis. Orvis is a pH neutral cleanser that comes in a paste, so it dissolves quickly and easily, it gets things clean, and it does not leave any residue behind. Or I'll include a link for Orvis too. Heck, check the box below for links to the products I mentioned in this video. Gosh, I'm starting to sound like a real influencer. And there you have it. The thing about this is that, as you saw, I ran out of hangers. And my goal was to photograph everything on those black hangers. So I have to go buy more hangers in order to get the photograph I want. As you can see, we have lots of black, lots of blue, and then a little bit of purple, and then a smattering of other colors. And these other colors are here because I'm working in collaboration with my fellow dance community. And so there are folks that had some color requests. So there's going to be a very heavily embellished cream. There will be some black and purple on a troop. My troop, Swirl, is getting blue, which is why there's so much blue. And of course, black is, basic and ubiquitous and lovely. And so I've got black in all kinds of different qualities and patterns. Check that out. That's pretty sparkly. So you're going to see all of this fabric plus all of the robes that I've cleaned. I've filled this bar 3 times so far, and I'm really glad to be done. Anyways, let's go do the next chore. Thank you for joining me for this week's vlog. If you are enjoying this content, please do me a favor and like and subscribe. My goal for 2022 is to reach 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel, and my plan is to produce a blog each week. So please help me get there. Let's do this. Thank you for helping me achieve my goals. I'll see you next week.